Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily. Bitcoin news, altcoin news, big altcoin news, industry news, world news. In today's video, I'm going to keep you up to date, everything going on in cryptocurrency. Smash the like button if you appreciate that. Check the timestamps below. And congratulations if you stuck with it, because the cryptocurrency market is starting to turn around. Bitcoin at 23, Ethereum at 1,500, BNB at 271. The biggest winners of the day are Phantom, NEM, Flow, Mina Protocol, Near, Waves, Loopring, Solana. Congrats if you hold any of those. The question is this rally the real one? Is the official Bitcoin bear market in? And unfortunately, we're not going to know that until time passes. There's a lot of reason to think that this is a major relief rally, but not necessarily out of the bear market yet. We'll never really know until more time passes, but I want you to take a look at this. This is Bitcoin, not versus the dollar. This is Bitcoin versus the NASDAQ. Take a look at this. Bitcoin has bounced off of 1, 2, 3, 4 major areas of support, major trend lines of support. And even more than that, the amount of time it's taken to get here is impactful because it's reminiscent and, in fact, the same amount of time as every top and bottom before that. Just something to think about. So, you tell me, do you think the Bitcoin bottom is in? Of course, that doesn't mean that every single altcoin bottom is in, but it does seem to me like we're witnessing a relief rally. So take advantage of that. Enjoy that. And by the way, whether we're out of the woods today or whether it takes a few more months, I believe Bitcoin will rally way higher the more time passes because the fundamentals are just so strong. Another one to think about. Bitcoin network has transferred 17.78 trillion this year already, smashing the record of 2021. This is really, really good. And of course, Ethereum is leading the rally over the past couple days. And with Ethereum being so strong, with Bitcoin being so strong, we see Ethereum quote-unquote killers. We see blue chip altcoins entering uptrends and rallying even harder. Solana and Avalanche enter new uptrend. Solana and Avalanche have risen roughly 20% in the past 36 hours. Solana needs to stay above 42 to advance to 52. AVAX could trigger an upswing to 28 if it breaks 24. What do you like better, Solana or Avalanche? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, it's not just the Ethereum killers that are doing well. You guys tell me what coins you want us to cover on the channel, and we try and cover them. Many people have been telling us lately, VRA, Veracity, look into it. If you own some, congratulations. It's certainly doing well. Looking good on the daily. Huge price breakout with volume. A correction would make for a great entry. And of course, we did a dedicated Veracity video last year. It's still up. So why is the market pumping? Why is the market pumping? Well, obviously the market goes in ebbs and flows. It can only go down so long before it goes up and vice versa. But why is the market pumping? Let's go over some of the key pieces of news, which are actually fundamentally a big deal. Austrian Post builds the future of digital stamp collecting. Austrian Post, the National Postal Service of Austria, has announced the launch of its latest product called Crypto Stamp Art, CSA, which is based on the Ethereum blockchain. The shift to focus on going digital first is significant since Austrian Post is a major player in the blockchain industry and have successfully sold out several iterations of crypto stamps since 2019, and they're still doing it, even in the bear market. That's what makes it cool. Previous generations of crypto stamps, however, mostly centered the sale around the physical stamp, which was accompanied by its digital twin. The launch of the CSA is planned on July 22nd after releasing the associated physical special stamp block on July 1st. There are 2,500 CSA mystery boxes. Each digital mystery box contains 4 non-fungible tokens, NFTs, a special stamp block, and a physical trading card known as a special art stamp. Each NFT has color value distributed with different frequencies with increasing rarity. So these are the rarities. Reds are the rarest, then yellows, then blue, rose, then purple, green, turquoise, Friedrich. Amazing to see all of these legacy services not only turning digital, but turning crypto. Coinbase obtains regulatory approval to provide crypto services in Italy. You're going to look back in 10 years when everything is crypto and you're going to be like, how did we get here? Well, if you subscribe to this channel, you're going to know how we got here. But keep in mind, we're seeing adoption happen in real time. This is how it works. Cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase announced Monday it has secured regulatory approval to provide crypto services in Italy. Quote, Coinbase serves customers across 40 European countries through dedicated hubs in Ireland, the UK, and Germany. Coinbase is committed to bringing the power of our full product suite to customers across Europe. This is according to the vice president. We are in the process of strengthening our presence across Europe and have registrations or license applications in progress in several major markets in compliance with local regulations. You'll love to see it. Let's talk about altcoins. Let's talk about Aave. Aave, blue chip lending, Ethereum-based protocol in the space, still continues to do big things. Aave taps Pocket Network to beef up decentralized app development. Find out the details. Aave, an open source decentralized finance protocol, is teaming up with decentralized Web3 infrastructure provider Pocket Network to offer developers increased scalability and ease of use when building decentralized applications on the Aave protocol. According to the statement on Tuesday, Aave will use Pocket's distributed network of more than 44,000 nodes to access on-chain data from various blockchains to power decentralized applications. Developers building Aave-powered dApps may now access blockchain data from Pocket Network on demand following the new integration. Quote from the CEO of Pocket Network, the goal is to power the next wave of decentralized applications that combine Aave's best-in-class liquidity market with Pocket's unrivaled RPC coverage, which now supports 50 blockchains and is well on its way to achieving its goal of 100 blockchains in 2022. Aave Grants DAO made this agreement possible by providing a grant for the purchase of the required Pocket Network native tokens, POKT, for Aave's front-end traffic. Dubai is quickly becoming the cryptocurrency capital of the world, if it's not already. There are tons of notable crypto people who live in Dubai, and it's easy to see why, not only because of the good taxes, or lack thereof of taxes, but also stuff like this. Dubai to ramp up metaverse efforts with 40,000 new jobs. Let's find out the details. One of the leading crypto hubs in the Middle East, the Emirate of Dubai, launches the Dubai Metaverse strategy that aims to turn it into one of the world's top 10 metaverse economies. The strategy promotes Dubai's ambition to support more than 40,000 virtual jobs by 2030. Al Maktoum hopes to transform the Emirate into a global tech capital. So the people in charge hope to transform the Emirate into a global tech capital focusing primarily on AI and Web3. The Dubai Metaverse strategy goes in line with the objectives of the United Arab Emirates AI strategy to enhance the nation's status as one of the world's leading countries in futuristic sectors by investing in new technologies. You'll love to see it. Hopefully this lights a fire under America. America can see all these other countries really pulling ahead in the Web3 space, and you got to believe that everybody is going to do it eventually, because why not? Another sign of adoption, which might be contributing to the bull rally that we're having in the markets, Christie's doubles down on Web3 with new venture arm. The fund's first investment is in Layer Zero Labs, the cross-chain interoperability company behind the Stargate Omni-Chain Bridge. The press release said that Layer Zero sits perfectly on the spectrum the fund will focus on. Specifically, Christie's Ventures will explore Web3 art-focused financial products and technologies that help people consume art. The world-renowned auction house has launched its venture capital arm, and it's set to focus on the Web3 space. So this is exactly what we want to see if you were to think the cryptocurrency is the future. When they first started auctioning off punks or apes or whatever it was, Beeple, NFTs, that was their first foray into NFTs, first foray into cryptocurrency. And they're continuing that foray, and that is really a bullish sign. I'll tell you one person who hopes that this crypto rally is the real one, and that is Alex Mashinsky and the Celsius team. Celsius is hoping for a bull market to repay customers. The beleaguered crypto lender Celsius said it plans to offer customers the option to either withdraw some of their money in fiat at a discount or ride out crypto winter and remain long crypto. So key takeaways: Celsius has revealed its plans to reorganize and continue operating rather than face liquidation. The insolvent crypto lender said it will allow customers to withdraw cash at a discount or remain long crypto and wait for another potential bull market. The hearing also revealed 1.9 billion hole in Celsius's balance sheet. I'm feeling for everybody who has money in Celsius, and of course, we all are very aware now, not your keys, not your coins. If this affects you, let me know your thoughts on Celsius's move to do this. And finally, my friends, I thought this was a pretty interesting chart from the good people over at Masari. Which of these protocols has the most favorable token allocation considering what they have developed? So how much of the supply went into the people's hands, the public sale, that's the blue, and how much of the supply went into insiders, VCs, and that's the red, and then of course there's foundation and community allocation, but really the blue versus red. And of course this is just one metric of many metrics to consider. The more blue, the more regular people had the chance to buy in. Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, Tezos, EOS, and Tron really leading the charge on that. And of course, I really like a lot of those. Some of those I don't like as much. And then, Binance, Polkadot, Avalanche, ICP, Blockstack, they're next. Again, just one of many metrics to consider, but it is interesting to keep track of. My name is Aaron at Altcoin Daily. Subscribe to the channel, join the team. I'll see you tomorrow, my friends.